PE students, stop right there. You open your paper 2 exam and you get a question asking you to describe the relationship between arousal level and performance level in the inverted U theory. Now, the first thing you need to talk about is low arousal, so being under aroused, equates to a low level of performance. Now, from this point, as arousal increases, so does performance up to peak level, also known as optimal level, and this is where performance is at its absolute best. So this is where we want to be. Now, beyond this stage, what starts to happen, if arousal continues to increase, performance starts to decrease. Now, for this question, that's all you would need to say to get 3 marks. One point I would make is dependent on the sport a person plays will determine how much arousal they need. So for instance, in rugby, to reach a peak level of performance, higher levels of arousal will be needed. Whereas in a sport like golf, to reach peak performance, less arousal will be needed. And the reason being is, as we know, golf is fixated on executing a smooth and accurate technique. And in order to do that, the performer needs to be relatively calm because the skills being used are fine skills. Whereas rugby, for instance, we're using large body parts, we're using all muscle groups to carry out a tackle in a social setting. And for that reason, higher levels of arousal are needed.